All right, we're going to talk about the film portfolio assessment table of contents in 5 minutes or less. Let's get this started. All right, so your table of contents, we're going to have standard level is 1 chapter for the May 2021 cohort. That means you are going to have this title, table of contents. You're going to identify production role number 1 and the name of that production role. You're also going to start this on page 2. All right. So since the table of contents is page 1. Then you're going to have a series of clips, 1 to 3 clips for standard level. All right. They're going to have the title of the clip and the length of the clip. Okay. Then you'll have a works cited page, and that should be on page 5. Remember, this is only a 3-page document at the max. So if you start on page 2, your works cited is going to be on page 5. Note that standard level for the May 2021 cohort is 1 chapter, 1 to 3 clips, no longer than 3 minutes total, and no longer than 3 pages long. The higher level is 3 chapters, so it's 3 of these roles. All right. Each chapter is no longer than 3 minutes in total, and each chapter is no longer than 3 pages in length. Okay. Note that at the end of the table of contents, we have the authenticity statement. That is mandatory. Please include that. Let's take a look at an example. For standard level, we have the table of contents. We have the production role. It has been identified, cinematographer. In this case, they said page 3 because they included their title page. All right. So, clip 1, we have the title and the timestamp. Clip 2, they have the title and the timestamp. Note that it didn't go any longer than 3 minutes, which is great. Then we have the works cited page. Okay. And then we have the authenticity statement. This is an example of standard level. A higher level example, we have the table of contents, we have the production role, and we have the declared role. Starts on page 2. We have 3 clips. Note that each clip has a timestamp of the length. Then we go to production role 2. It's declared. It states what page it is on. Clip 1, the title, timestamp. Clip 2, title, timestamp. Then we have production role 3, the role, what page. Since production role 3 is only 1 full film, we have the film right there. All right, works cited on a higher level should be page 11. Notice there's an authenticity statement at the bottom of this. That is required. To wrap up, create your table of contents. Follow the instructional materials. You have the guides and the exemplars and PowerPoints and live lessons, all talking about how to assemble this. Add the authenticity statement if you have not. Review the notes from your supervising teacher if there are any. Compare your table of contents with the example, whether it's higher level or standard level, depending on your level of testing. Fix, add, or adjust anything that's wrong or missing, and then lock it in, and then move to your FPA chapter commentary. That's all you have to do for your table of contents. Just make sure you follow the format. We're really trying to make this easy for you, so all you have to do is just follow the format. All right, just put these things in there and slot your specific information in the areas that are needing that. Once you do that, everything should be good. If you have any questions, contact your teacher. Thank you.